Okay, it's your 72-hour update. We're going to be doing that instead of 48 now for the spring and the summer. We'll return back to 48 hours when we get into the fall, when we get some nasty weather. But if something happens during the summer, we got severe storms, I'll be updating them all the time. It's now Monday the 21st that we're doing this update. Now, this is Monday afternoon. It's around 4 o'clock when I'm doing this, and there's just a couple of showers. But to the west is the first of two lines of rain. This is now moving it out to around, whoop, too far. This is moving it out to around 6 o'clock, and you can see it's kind of broken up, but there are some showers, maybe even a heavier shower mixed in with the first batch that's coming through. And we'll have that. And then there's more. Then as we move on, this takes you to around 8 o'clock, and you can see the line is now going through Harrisburg, Selinsgrove, towards Williamsport. And then there's another group of showers behind it. This is around 9, 10, 11, there's 12. You can see they're scattered, but there could be rumble of thunder mixed in with this as it goes by. But basically by 4 a.m., it's just left with some drizzle. All the stuff is basically moved off to the east. Now, this is the temperatures basically this afternoon when I'm doing this. They're 60s to the south, 50s to the north, where the clouds and the showers have started to move in. As we get too close to midnight here, here's 8. Well, this is 8 o'clock. You can see where the rain has come down. It's brought the temperatures in the 50s, and down south here, it's still around 60 degrees by Harrisburg and York. Um, and then as we go through the nighttime hours, and now here's midnight, and you can see some warmer air is trying to move back in behind the rain. So it's bringing the temperatures up a little bit. But as that cold front settles down, this is around 7 o'clock in the morning. It's behind the rain. You can see 40s are up this way. If you look out, you can't see Bradford, but out there it's in the mid 40s. It's still 60 down here towards Lancaster. But then the temperatures begin to rise as daybreak comes in, so that cold air really doesn't get to take effect down in the southern part of PA. So this is around 9 in the morning. It's still 60 degrees down there, and you'll see it try to warm back up. Here's about 2 in the afternoon. Temperatures are into the mid 60s. Way up here to the north, they're still hanging around the 50-degree mark, which is unfortunate, because they want the warm temperatures too. Then as we go into the evening hours, this is around 6 o'clock. Not much has changed, dropped a couple of degrees. But as we go to around midnight, you can see a lot of 40s around here, and even down here where it's been in the 60s, it's not dropped into the 50s. This takes you to around 7 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. You can see 40s to the north, low 40s to the north. I'd say mid 40s here, around 80, and that goes across, and then down here towards York and Lancaster, temperatures are upper 40s basically down there. For Then during the day on Wednesday, things try to make a recovery for a lot of people. Temperatures get back closer to the spring-like temperatures, upper 60s to lower 70s down here by Harrisburg. So not really that bad out there. Spread it back out a little bit here so you can see how the temperatures go. This is Thursday morning. You can see not bad. It's in the 50s across central PA. But then as we get into Thursday afternoon, it's going to go up a few more degrees. Let's see here if we can make this work. You can see temperatures almost across the whole state get into the 70s on Thursday. So we start to warm up and feel more like spring out there. All right, everybody take care. Talk to you soon.